The area surrounding the Abando station is made up of different plots of land on which stand the Renfe and Febe standard and narrow gauge railway line companies as they approach their respective terminals of Abando and La Concordia. Several industrial and service sector buildings also stand on the same ground, some of which have been classified as being of great industrial interest. The whole raised area was formed when the Abando plain was artificially elevated in preparation for the arrival of rail in Bilbao. Today, the entire area represents a serious urbanistic barrier that mainly affects the neighborhoods of Abando, San Francisco, Zabala and Irala. However, it also represents a great opportunity thanks mainly to the arrival of high-speed trains traveling to Bilbao and the need to adapt and reform our rail infrastructure, which in turn will allow the city to recover the land and result in the anxiously awaited re-emergence of the city urban fabric. The fact that all train lines will be constructed underground will also allow us to build a large public park that will run from Cantalojas to Abando station itself. Future buildings, both residential and service, will flank the park, whose final shape will be decided by a special committee set up for that purpose. A new station will stand at the end of the underground railway lines. Planning of new open spaces also contemplates the construction of a new public square in front of the station. The proper planning of the area presents itself as a great opportunity, not only regarding the possible creation of new open spaces, but also regarding the installation of new facilities that will provide services to the adjacent neighborhoods. The special scheme responsible for planning and regulating the area must evaluate the possibility of preserving certain elements and buildings of industrial value, such as the station hangar itself, together with some industrial premises.